Hello, selamat sore everyone. Kalau di Saudi sekarang baru jam 6 ya. Ini aku baru balik dari Batak. Sudah dipotong rambut, kalian lihat kan? Nih, sudah dipotong rambut, tapi belum di blow ya, belum mandi. Nanti balik mandi. Tadi kita sudah ke Batak, sudah belanja, sudah makan, sudah apalagi Said sama si Said Pri. Dia banyak mikir, katanya sudah apa sih, banyak sekali pengeluarannya hari ini ya, sama aku juga ya, banyak juga pengeluaran, maraming expenses diba. Naisip. So aku boleh ngomong bahasa Filipin ya. Magkano ba yung babayad mo kanina?
Lahat?
Oh, lahat.
688.
Hindi ka nakatulog ng 600 eh. Ay nako, marami kang gastos palagi. Ganun talaga kabuhay sa Saudi Arabia, di ba? So sa Saudi Arabia ganun talaga guys, na palaging gagastos, palagi gusto niya lalabas, pero pag day off hindi ka nalabas, parang boring, ganun ba? Pag pumunta ka ng labas, siyempre naisipin na yung gastos, pera, lalabas, ganun ba? But anyway, we don't think about the money, because the money is we take and we throw. Yes, always every day like this, and every month like this, you know, especially for the people working in the Saudi Arabia or any country, same. So every you take salary, you think you too much money, no, but you must be sent to your family, and then you must be, what is one, buy for yourself, grocery, example. Because we are human, you know, you must buy sabon, shampoo, toothpaste, perfume, some like free buys perfume. Pero ganun talaga yun. Maisip talaga yung 60 real mo. So anyway, bye. See you to the next vlog.